In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize your frame in Figma without making a disaster. Whether you're new to Figma or a seasoned user looking to refine your design skills, resizing frames with precision is a key task you can't overlook. It helps keep your projects neat and professional. So let's dive in and learn how to do it correctly. First, you'll need to go to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that many designers rely on for its robust features and ease of use. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and navigating to Figma's website. If you haven't already logged into your account, this is the next step. Click the login button at the top right of the page. Once you've logged in with your credentials, you'll find yourself on the home page, ready to get started on your design journey. Now that you're on the home screen of Figma, look towards the navigation pane on the left and click on Design. This option is where you start all your creative projects. It'll take you to the canvas where all your work unfolds. Once you're in the design area, the next step is to click on Frame in the top toolbar. The Frame tool in Figma is akin to having a digital canvas, allowing you to define boundaries for your designs, much like setting the size for a painting before you start. With your frame selected, it's time to resize. There are two main methods you can use. The first method is quite intuitive. You simply place your cursor at the edge of the frame until it turns into a double-sided arrow, then click and drag to resize the frame to your desired dimensions. This method gives you dynamic control and is great for on-the-fly adjustments. However, if you need more precision, you can opt for the second method. Look to the right panel in Figma, where you'll find options to manually change the frame's width and height by entering specific values. This method is perfect when you need exact measurements for your design, or when consistency across multiple frames is crucial. Simply input the numbers you need and your frame will automatically adjust. And there you have it, it's really that straightforward. Practice resizing frames using both methods to become more familiar with each and evaluate which works best for your design needs. Remember, the key to not making a disaster of resizing your frames lies in paying attention to dimensions and the alignment that applies to your overall layout. I hope this tutorial on resizing frames in Figma equips you with a new skill to streamline your design process. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Happy designing!